Hey, this is a test. Hello, test, testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3. Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have my beauty unboxing ready to go, and this one is for March. So yes, I'm a little bit late. However, better late than never, right? No? Yeah? Okay, well anyway, we're just gonna dive right into this. Basically, these are the subscriptions that I am subscribed to. They're beauty subscriptions, and basically 2 of them are $10 a month, and another one, the Macy's one, is $15 a month. So, starting off with Birchbox. This is what they send you. They send you a box full of goodies, and I'm just gonna jump right into this. This has a insert, and it always has information on the insert. So I always find that super helpful. And the first thing that's in here that I'm pulling out is the Love Beauty and Planet Coconut Water and Mimosa Flower Shampoo and Conditioner. So these 2 bad boys. Don't know why my pinky is so erect, but my pinky is excited for them, and I wanted to see how this smells because I'm all about that coconut life. Oh guys, this smells so good. It smells like coconutty, and like it reminds me of the beach. Can't wait to use it. I'm all about using trying out like shampoos and conditioners. The only thing that I really haven't been able to try is it was like a kohl mask, but like for your hair. It was so weird, and I have extensions in. I can't grow this beauty by myself, so I have extensions in, and I don't feel comfortable putting charcoal on my extensions. I don't know how it's gonna, like what it's gonna do. Then I go to my beautician, then she's like, what the hell did you do to your hair? I don't wanna go through that. So I'm just gonna stick to regular shampoo and conditioner, and let's move on. Okay, so the next thing that I'm pulling out of here is this Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream. So it's this right here, and just get it open with my big muscles. Okay, doesn't smell like anything, which is always good for the face. I don't really like stuff with fragrance for the face because I have very sensitive skin, very dry skin too. So the less fragrance, the better. It doesn't burn as much anyway. Okay, the next thing in here is a Smashbox Cosmetics Insta-Matte Lipstick Transformer. So I'm assuming that you put this on and it mattifies your lipstick transformer. Or I'm gonna have to try that out because I do have a lot of Sheins that are like, you know, Sheen lipsticks or sateen lipsticks that I don't really use often because they're Sheen and sateen. I really like a more matte look anyway. So I'll have to try it out and let you know how that goes. Okay, last thing in here is this ModelCo long wearing lipstick in Sienna. So I'm assuming that this is the color, and it's actually a pretty big packaging for lipstick. So I'm pretty excited about my stuff. I think I'm most excited about the face cream and the shampoo and conditioner because it smells like coconut, it smells like the beach, reminds me of the beach. I'm all about the beach. I mean, I live in Florida, I'm surrounded by beach. Why not? So that was Birchbox. Again, that was $10 a month for the Birchbox. Okay, moving along to the next one. This one is Ipsy. It always comes in this super bright pink foiled thing. Let me open it up. So there's no way to hide it from Freddie. Freddie's always gonna see that I have a beauty thing coming in, so that's great. And they always send the products in cute little bags. So super cute. It also has an insert. And again, this one is for March. So that's the insert, and it has information on the back. So the first thing that I'm pulling out of here is SKIN&CO Whipped Polishing Cleansing Cream with Truffle Extract. had to read that slow so that I can make sure that I read it correctly. Okay, so this is whipped cleansing cream. Oh, smells like coconutty too, or like cocoa butter. Has a very familiar smell. That's cool. This looks like markers. Okay, so this month it says that it's all about art. Okay, redecorating your space, matching up 2 lipsticks to blend your own custom shade, blah, blah, blah. Okay, that's pretty cool. I like it. So it's Ipsy Create for the month of March. Very cool. Okay, so the next thing in here is Skin Iceland Pure Cloud Cream with Arctic berries and peptides. So it kind of sounds, oh yes, it's closed completely, so can't smell it. Sounds like a face cream. Yep, face and throat. So this is for your face and throat. I love trying out new face stuff. I'm not really stuck on like just one thing for the face, so I'm all about trying new things as long as it doesn't burn my face off, of course. Okay, next thing in here is this Tarte Sex Kitten eyeliner. Yeah, it's an eyeliner. So it's this one right here. Oh, and I did figure out that the other eyeliner that was in my, I think it was my February, keep on salivating. My February box was for right here, this bottom waterline. I don't know why I'm having such a hard time getting the words out. Anyway, so next thing in here is WINKY Luxe. And this WINKY Luxe, I think it's a highlighter. Hologram, oh wait, holographic highlighter. Ooh. So this is it right here. And let's see how it looks. Ooh, that's pretty. I don't know if you can see that. I feel like it looks better in person than on camera. So you're just gonna have to take my word for it. It looks really cool. It kind of looks like a pinky purple, if anything. Don't know if you can you see that? No? Can you see? No? No? Okay. Well, take my word for it. It's really cute. Next thing in here is this Freematic eyeshadow. And it's kind of like bronzy color. And I think I've received one of these before and I did like it. So that looks pretty cute. Well, yeah, and that's everything in my Ipsy. And again, Ipsy is also $10 a month for the monthly. So Ipsy is $10 a month for the beauty subscription as well. Now the next one is one of my favorites, and it is the Macy's one. So it's this one right here. And I have to open it up with this right here. Oh, hey, babe. I'm just filming, no big deal.
That's real.
It is real. Okay, so next up we have Macy's, and it always comes with a booklet. And it always has, oh, okay, this time it has a $10 off coupon. Sometimes it has a $5 coupon, sometimes it has a $10 coupon, but it always has information on the products that they're sending. So this one is for March. It says, eat, sleep. I'm gonna kill you. Are you done?
No,
Thanks.
no, wait.
I'm gonna kill him. Oh! Okay, so it says Eat, Sleep, Glow on here. And my camera decided to shut off on me midway. So let's wrap this up. And if you hear outside noises, I'm sorry. Some dogs are outside, planes, just going everywhere. You know, all of the noises that need to happen when I'm filming, that's what's happening. So, opening up this, like, basically it was just wrapped in pink paper. So just opening it up. Okay, so the first thing in here that I'm pulling out is the Lancôme Génifique Concentrate something or another. So that's what it looks like. Not sure what it is, but in the booklet I'm sure it will tell us. Okay, so it's basically serum. And it's for radiance, elasticity, firmness, skin tone, and it also smooths. So basically magic in a little bottle. Next in here we have this MAC Strobe Light Hydra Tint, right? Hydra Tint, yes. Just making sure I said it right. And I actually have used this in the past, or something very similar to it. Doesn't smell like anything to me. But yeah, I liked it. Then we have this Estee Lauder Resilience, wait, spare, hold on. Resilience Lift Night. So it's a firming face and neck cream. So it's pretty good size, I would say too. 0.17 ounces, it's a good size. Oh yeah, definitely. Get a couple good uses out of that. Then we have this Clarins Extra Firming Jour. It's a wrinkle control firming day cream. And I really appreciate getting these type of samples in here because I'm not like super wrinkly right now. Yeah, but I'm trying to prevent it for, you know, in the future. I'm only 31, right? I'm 31? Yeah, I'm 31. I'm 31. Yeah, I'm 31. So just preventing is more of a preventative measure. So okay, next thing in here we have the, ooh, I don't know how you say this, hold on. SK2, or is it Sky? I'm not really sure. Facial Treatment Essence. I've never really delved into any essences before, but I'm willing to give it a try. Not sure how you use them, but I'll let you know in my Instagram stories. So if you're not following me on my Instagram or Snapchat, go ahead and do that because you love me. And also because I keep you posted on what I liked, what I didn't like from my samples. It's just good, it's informative, just for your well-being, really, to be following me on there, so yes. Anyway, the last thing in here is a Carolina Herrera Good Girl perfume sample. So that's everything I got in my Macy's, and I do like my Macy's subscription beauty box the most because I get a lot of like face products for it. You know, for lifting, for wrinkles, for hydration, for, you know, nighttime, like for the neck. Like I feel like it's so much more than what I get in my other beauty boxes. My other beauty boxes have like shampoo and conditioner. They have, you know, lipsticks, they have highlighters, they have just a whole bunch of like makeup. This is more like skincare related, and that's what I like about it. So that's basically what I got in March. I'll update you on my Insta stories or my Snapchat, or both, on what I liked, what I didn't like, you know, all that good stuff. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and make sure that you're subscribed so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Also, I'm going to New York at the end of the month of April. So get ready because those vlogs are gonna be so fire. It's gonna be awesome. It's gonna be great, yes. It's gonna be awesome. So yeah, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.